This is the Bailey Pegasus Black Edition Bologna. Now, if you're familiar with the ever popular Brindisi layout, this is the twin axle variant. Shipping length of 7.8 metres and an MTPLM of just over 1,650 kilos means you'll need something like Volvo's V60 to tow it. Now, this is a 4-berth Caravan and it's got a brand new C-shaped section at the front for seating. So let's step inside and take a look. The seating now wraps around in a C shape thanks to that new near side seat. Great place to sit and admire the view because this C-shaped seating also allows the Bailey engineers to fit a new window to the near side as well. So you've got a 360 panoramic view, so if you are on your perfect pitch, you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. Now, when it comes to dinner time, plenty of room here for that freestanding table. So regardless of whether you've got additional guests with you, you'll be able to seat them all in comfort. And when it is night time, this converts into a really large double bed, or you could use it as single because these bunks are 6 foot long. Now, the Bologna is also packed full of tech. There are 6 230 volt sockets, 5 USB points, there's wireless charging next to that new near side seating. There's also a USB point within that wireless charger as well. On the roof, to make sure you're charged up, there's a 130 watt solar panel, and to make sure you're fully entertained at all times, there are 2 TV points, one in the bedroom if you like to watch telly in bed, and one in the lounge as well on a wall mounted bracket. And if that's not enough, there's also a Sonos speaker that is Alexa activated. Now, the extra room, thanks to that 8 foot wide body shield and the twin axle chassis, translates well into the kitchen, because this new Peninsula kitchen unit gives you 25% more worktop space. So if you like to travel with an air fryer or a coffee maker, or you want room for your chopping board, plenty of room for that here. Now, storage wise, plenty above and below, and if you like to take all your essentials with you, there's a super large tower fridge to my left. Now, talking of equipment, microwave above, dual fuel hob below, separate grill, separate oven, and to make sure you realise you are in a Black Edition model, there are black accents to the tap and the handles. And there's plenty of room in the bedroom as well, thanks to this king size bed. Now, there are 2 modes here for the bed, day mode, night mode. Day mode currently push right back, gives you all that room at the foot of the bed to walk around. Night mode, when you want that really good night's sleep, you simply pull the bed out. Plenty of storage too, not just under that bed, because you can lift up and access all the storage underneath, but there are cupboards above. There's a double wardrobe to my right, and also there's a separate vanity unit at the foot of the bed. And if there's nothing on telly, there's a super large Heki above the bed, so you can spend your time stargazing. And should you wish to divide off the bedroom from the front of the Caravan, there's a concertina partition door. And the extra length from that twin axle chassis translates well into the end washroom as well. The shower to my left is probably one of the biggest showers in a Caravan I've ever seen. Lots of dressing room in the middle, and obviously you have essentials like the Belfast style sink and the all important loo. Storage wise, tons of that below the sink and in a separate cupboard above the loo. And should you want to divide off the rest of the Caravan from the loo, we have a space saving solid wood sliding door. The Bologna is a twin axle 8 foot wide Caravan that has everything you could possibly need. Now, that king size bed, super large end washroom, and that C-shaped seating section at the front would make it great for comfortable weekends away, extended tours, or even as a permanently sited Caravan.